Hello and thank you for stopping by the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be tackling my entryway, which as you can see has become a dumping ground, and that was never the intent. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the inside of the home, but I'm also going to be doing some work on the outside. So if you are interested in seeing that, then just stick around. Now my cabinet that I use for an entryway table really needs to be replaced, but I'm not going to be replacing it just yet. I'm going to instead do a facelift on it and just kind of change the drawer pulls and the handles. So you can see that I've changed it here on the one side, and I really like the way it kind of elevated the look a little bit. And so I'm going to just continue on with that and see how it turns out. Now, this is my least favorite thing to do, and that's tackling these baseboards. They are terrible, but it must be done. So I'm using this awesome orange to try to get some of this dust and debris and whatnot off of the walls, and then I'll be able to start the decorating. And now that the inside is done, let's take a look outside. It is a mess as well. You know, when the spring season hits, there's often a lot of debris and dirt and things like that that needs to be done. And so I am going to go ahead and tackle that right now. Thanks so much for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button as well as that subscribe button. If you're not currently subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And if you're a returning family member, thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.